स्टूडेंट्स को एग्ज़ाम के पहले एग्ज़ाम का टेंशन होता है, एग्ज़ाम्स के बाद रिजल्ट्स का टेंशन होता है। ये टेंशन ख़त्म क्यों नहीं होता? इन दिनों में पेरेंट्स की सिचुएशन तो अलग ही होती है। इन दिस डेज एंजाइटी, प्रेशर का माहौल हर जगह दिखाई देगा। लेट्स फाइंड आउट व्हाई दिस हैपेंस। Hi everyone, this is Mugdha Shetty, career counselor at Growth Center, and right now lakhs of students across India are living the same nightmare, and parents are worried too. If you are a topper, you are terrified of dropping even one mark. If you are someone who usually scores less, you are terrified that this time again the world will prove you, aren't you good enough? It's not because you are weak, it's because somewhere we all started believing one lie. That one result decides your entire worth and your entire future. तो चलिए जानते हैं उस हर सवाल के जवाब मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एंड काउंसलर ऑफ ग्रोथ सेंटर मिस स्वाति साळुंखे मैडम से। वेलकम मैम, वेलकम वंस अगेन टू करियर की बात शो।
Yes,
और आज हम एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं विच इज़ एंजाइटी रिलेटेड, जो बच्चों में आजकल ज़्यादा पाई गई है बिकॉज एग्जाम्स आर नियरिंग एंड the best part is the top scorers and the low scorers both are having anxiety. So exactly क्या difference है दोनों के anxiety में? I want you to throw light on that.
Frankly, Mugdha, if I have to look at it, I look them as students. Top scorer हो या low scorer हो, देखो anxiety तो होती ही है, बस फ़र्क होता है इनके anxiety levels पे या anxiety के topics पे। जो top scorer होता है ना, वो ये सोचता है क्या मैं इस बार भी उतना परफॉर्म कर पाऊंगी या पाऊंगा, because everybody has expectations.
Correct.
If he or she is the top ranker or has studied throughout the year, so naturally लोगों को लगता है ये तो टॉपर है, और तो ऐसा लगता है कि क्या मैं उतना कर पाऊंगा या नहीं। एक्सपेक्टेशंस अगर कम मार्क्स मिले या मैंने सोचा है 98 या 99 जो भी है, और 1-2% यहाँ वहाँ कम हुए तो क्या होगा। सो फॉर मी व्हाट आई थिंक इज दे बोथ हैव एंजाइटीज, बट जो टॉप स्कोरर होते हैं उनके ज़्यादा परफॉर्मेंस रिलेटेड एंजाइटी होती है, नॉट द कैपेसिटी।
ट्रू।
पर जो लो स्कोरर होता है ना, वो सोचता है अगर फेल हुआ इस बार या इतने एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो नहीं है मगर उससे भी कम मिले तो ये जो होता है, सी व्हाट आई फील इज एज स्टूडेंट्स दे डू हैव द एंजाइटी लेवल्स, बट दैट एरिया ऑफ एंजाइटी इज डिफरेंट। वन थिंग्स कि व्हाट इफ आई विल नॉट फुलफिल द ड्रीम्स और इफ आई डोंट स्कोर एज अ टॉपर, और दूसरा सोचता है कि अगर फेल ही हो गया तो, या जितना सोचा था वो उससे भी कम मिले तो। सो एंजाइटी इज देयर एंड आई थिंक एज अ स्टूडेंट इट इज़ क्वाइट अ नॉर्मल थिंग, बट एरियाज ऑफ एंजाइटीज आर डिफरेंट।
So, ma'am, reason क्या हो सकते हैं? From where is this anxiety arising? Like, are there external factors like maybe the classmates, the expectations the way you said, or maybe parents? क्या reasons हो सकते हैं?
Mugdha, what I feel, you know, when it comes to any kind of competition, exams हो, कहीं भी ज़िंदगी के कोई भी big event हो, anxiety तो होती है कि ये कैसे होगा और उसके बाद का रिजल्ट क्या होगा। जो बहुत बार हमको लगता है, जो स्टूडेंट्स में दिखाई देता है, वो ज़्यादातर एग्ज़ाम की एंजाइटी नहीं होती, वो एंजाइटी होती है कि उसके बाद के रिजल्ट्स, मार्क्स कितने मिलेंगे, कम मिले तो क्या होगा, ज़्यादा मिले तो अच्छे ही है, मगर जो कॉलेज में जाना है वो अगर नहीं कर पाऊँगा तो। सो ज़्यादातर हम देखते हैं कि जब यहाँ जो एग्ज़ाम का माहौल या जो रिज़ल्ट का माहौल होता है, बीट एनी स्टैंडर्ड, बीट द 10th स्टैंडर्ड, 12th स्टैंडर्ड, ग्रेजुएशन, एनी पॉइंट, सबकी अपनी अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती है। इफ़ इट इज़ द स्कूल, naturally the teachers, the principal or the school will have some expectation. Parents के तो होते ही है, family members के होते हैं, but what we see these days, I'm sure you have also experienced, is that when they come to the center, खुद के ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन से ये बच्चे मार खा रहे, बिकॉज आई थिंक समवेयर स्टूडेंट्स आर हैविंग सम अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस, कुछ गलत कंपैरिजंस कर रहे हैं, जो मीडिया के नैरेटिव्स आ रहे हैं वो उन लोग कुछ और लेवल पर जा रहे हैं, वो खुद का नहीं सोच रहे, वो लोगों का ज़्यादा सोच रहे। सो आई फील मोर देन द आउटर व्हाट यू से आउटर माहौल या what people are talking, it is the internal thing also which students are facing, because they have their own ways of thinking, and that is where everything arises. It is, as a counselor you will also agree, it starts from here.
Correct.
So if this starts working in a negative direction, problems, anxiety, and the next level health issues can arise, and to negative thinking mode. So I think more is the student himself or herself.
So is planning the main reason कि plan ढंग से नहीं हो रहा है? Because I'm sure like सबको मालूम होता है February is the month जब board exams होते हैं. Still when we know I'm in 12th या 10th, none of us, like the students that we tackle, वो prepare नहीं करते. So can planning also be the reason?
In fact, definitely बहुत लगता है कि बहुत time है. And suddenly when the month starts coming nearer, the entire panic situation happens, because somewhere they know they have not studied well enough, or they have kept certain things on options, or maybe they gave an impression कि मैं पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, मगर उतनी पढ़ाई नहीं हो गई, तो वो बोलते हैं ना अभी मेरा शायद पोल खुल जाएगा. तो ये पार्ट होता है. सो वी आर इन अ सिस्टम जहाँ पर एग्जाम्स आर अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल. जो फरवरी हो या मार्च हो या एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स हो, कुछ भी हो, वो स्पेसिफिक मंथ्स में, और शायद टाइम टेबल आपको 6-8 महीने पहले या 2-3 महीने पहले ही मिल जाता है. सो ये जो आपने कहा प्रॉपर प्लानिंग, जहाँ से वो पढ़ाई ठीक से नहीं की होती है, तो वहीं से शुरुआत होती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स वी फील दैट स्टूडेंट्स टेक इट कैजुअली, और दे फील मुझे तो लास्ट मिनट में बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई होती है या मैं लास्ट मिनट में कर पाऊंगा. या सी समवेयर एट व्हेन यू आर इन द लोअर स्टैंडर्ड्स इन योर स्कूल, दैट टाइम मे बी वो काम कर गया.
Correct.
मगर जो हम एग्ज़ाम एजुकेशन सिस्टम की बात करते हैं, students are themselves not aware of the competition that is awaiting them.
Correct,
What they
correct.
feel is lightly, then that stress mode start. Something which I remember right now is that ant and grasshopper story. You have to work the year long to
Then
have
you
the
get the
benefits. But अगर last minute हो तो शायद टेंशन में ही होते हैं, and then it starts affecting the health also. So I think it is planning ठीक से नहीं की होती है पढ़ाई की. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली प्रैक्टिस पेपर्स, मॉक टेस्ट ठीक से सॉल्व नहीं किए होते, या कुछ पोर्शन लगता है उनको लास्ट में कर देंगे, एंड देन दे रियलाइज इट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. इनफैक्ट जब टाइम टेबल्स आते हैं तभी भी बहुत अलग माहौल होता है कि ये पेपर पहले क्यों है, या इस पेपर में ज़्यादा छुट्टियाँ और उस पेपर में छुट्टियाँ नहीं हैं. सो दोज आर थिंग्स which you can't control. So what I feel is very clearly planning, poor study plan, poor timetables is for studying. The timetables for studying, that is the main reason.
Ma'am, you
I think.
mentioned one point, tension आ जाता है, and then we have also seen some cases जहाँ पे tension की वजह से they have ended up taking inappropriate steps. Maybe they tried to attempt suicide, or they tried to physically harm themselves.
True.
So what's your take on that?
I'm sure we are seeing this, we are reading such stories, and it's really scary, a sad part. Your heart goes out to the family. जो बच्चे, वो 10th के बच्चे हो या MBBS कर रहे हो या इंजीनियर, जो भी, I'm talking about a student, or I'm talking about somebody who is preparing for some exam, and just because it did not come, they have taken very wrong steps. Definitely marks important है. Getting into the right career, the right college is important, but ये पूरी ज़िंदगी नहीं है. It's just a starting point. So over here जो हम कह रहे हैं, जो anxiety आ रही है, जो negative thinking आ रही है, students or individuals are taking a very negative steps towards ending their life, or getting into substance abuse. Correct. Or maybe into a different mode, into entirely negative mode, which they shouldn't. So ideally, if they start thinking where things are going wrong, what is it? Is it the studies? Is it the the pressure, or is it the portion, or is it I'm not able to understand the concepts? यहाँ से थोड़ी अगर स्टूडेंट्स ने शुरुआत की तो शायद उनको क्लैरिटी मिल सकती है कि उन्होंने कहाँ पर टाइम ज़्यादा देना चाहिए. देयर आर, वी कम अक्रॉस स्टूडेंट्स who study well, but maybe their papers are not they are not able to complete the paper. So if it is a speed issue, or is it something related to concept issue, start getting into the thing, and I'm sure the teachers, the tuitions where they are going, people will help them out. मगर अगर इन्होंने किसी को इनकी प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं बताई, reason can be anything, then getting into such negative thinking, and frankly it is not worth it. I'm really happy that you asked these questions. Over here I would say that there are a lot of things, and if you see also, when we say exams is only one part.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's a roller coaster ride ahead also. Right. It is not only about that 10th standard, 12th standard, or one entrance exam.
Correct.
It is life after that also, wherein there might be many detours, many experiments, I would say might be a little setbacks also.
Correct.
But then you have to go on moving. You cannot say, okay, this is the end, and just cut off from that. That is never the answer to it. So I would say that when a student feels, or anybody, any individual who feels that, it's not happening in the right way, speak up.
Exactly.
It could be to anybody, to a trusted tutor, your friend, or any family member, or definitely a counselor, who can, guide you where where the processes are going wrong.
Correct.
Maybe your thought process is wrong, or maybe the individual has created a big problem out of something very small, or something which can be, workable. So I think communicating and, taking a pause. ये चल रहा है क्या या ठीक हो रहा है, I think things will be in a better position than taking a drastic step.
Correct.
Which is definitely not worth it.
So ma'am, this brings me to the next question. Exam is anxiety or results is an anxiety? So because समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बच्चों को tension exam के time पे भी आता है, and before the results also they are like really going crazy.
Oh yes. Actually, as I said, most of the time it is not exams, it is the result. लोग क्या कहेंगे? Or people have expectations. What if I'm not able to complete it? What if other is the first ranker and I'm not?
Right, exactly.
ये जो point का भी difference आता है, तो there is where all the issues lie. So definitely ये है, I feel exams, I think most of the time as counselors we feel it is the result which is a problem, not the exam.
Right.
Because most of the time students know the paper patterns, they know how the negative marking and all is going to be, whether it is a computer based test
Correct.
or paper pencil या internals जो होते हैं, वो ज़्यादातर सब बच्चों को सब पता
They are
होता है.
aware, right.
But when it comes to this part, and most of the time when it is especially before the results, एक external चीज़ें आती है, अरे तू तो टॉपर है, तुझे काहे का टेंशन.
Correct.
But maybe that child knows what he or she has made mistakes or goofed up somewhere.
Absolutely.
So यहाँ पर ये जो होता है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे is a bigger problem. Then because see, when it comes to the results, frankly, nothing is in your hand now. आपने पेपर लिख चुके हो,
Exactly.
पेपर्स करेक्ट हो रहे हैं, उनके मार्किंग सिस्टम्स के हिसाब से आपको मार्क्स मिलने वाले. सो एवरीथिंग इज एक्सटर्नल. ओवर हियर इंटरनलाइज हाउ मच यू गेट अफेक्टेड
Correct.
is what student need to put a pause button there itself, is what I feel. And that's where somewhere internalizing, bringing clarity to the thought will make a lot of difference.
Analysis will definitely
Oh
help
yes,
them.
yes, definitely. And self-analysis, I think spending some time alone, or okay, मैंने ये तो कर दिया है, maybe next time I shouldn't be doing that.
Correct.
Because it is not only about, as I said, not only one exam.
Exactly.
As you go for your 11th, 12th, or maybe your undergrad, your postgrad, or even doctoral studies, or further even in your job environment.
I think personal, professional, both, anything that you're doing it for the first time, you end up getting more anxious.
Yeah, in fact, I always feel, in fact, during an exam, the syllabi.
Right.
But when it comes to the life exams, it is totally different. So I think while I would say not a casual attitude towards it, one needs to prepare oneself and put all the efforts. It has to be a real effort, and not just to please a parent, or
Absolutely.
just to show that look, I'm studying.
Right.
So they need to be physically and mentally present when they're studying, and then I think things will be in a much better way.
Fabulous. Ma'am, just tell me, being anxious is okay? Is anxious word a positive or negative? Because बड़ा confusion होता है. Like having stress, pressure, anxiety is healthy or it's negative?
I think I would say it is there. It is required. It is like that salt. It has to be there.
In the right quantum.
In the right quantum, because if you're totally stress-free, you may not perform itself.
Casual.
And you might be into overconfidence, which may be very, very negative. But little bit of anxiety is required, little bit of stress is required to, to make you move to the next level. Because if you're not stressed, things are very casual. You'll say, okay, not this year, I'll try the next year.
Absolutely.
People have tried, we have examples wherein they have done better the next time also, but not everybody gets that second chance. So what I feel is, whenever there's a chance, prove yourself. Don't wait for the next moment. Next moment might be still better for you. So anxiety is required, anxious, but it shouldn't go above a limit. wherein it starts getting into negative mode, and your exams, your studies starts getting affected, your preparation
Correct,
starts getting
correct.
affected. If that's getting affected when you're just thinking and not doing anything about it, you're actually welcoming problems. पेपर कैसा होगा, रिजल्ट कैसा होगा, इस बार का पेपर अच्छा था, लास्ट ईयर का कैसा था, उसे ऐसा मिला, इस बार का एडमिशन प्रोसेस कैसा होगा, या you know, if all these things, if they start
bothering,
getting into bothering, then definitely you're on the wrong track. Come back
Can
to
we
studies.
call this as symptoms of being anxious?
Oh yes, definitely.
So in such situations, I've analyzed myself. मुझे पता चला अभी मैं भूल रही हूँ या मैंने पढ़ाई की है, but I'm still not confident. So ऐसे situations में what tips would you recommend?
I think breathing. Everywhere if you come, it's a scientific way wherein you calm your mind first.
Right.
To get the clarity, because everything starts from here.
Correct.
So you need to cool down your mind, and the cooling is through meditation. It could be meditation, it could be some brisk walking, anything that relaxes you without the gadgets.
Most important.
Yes, you can speak to your parent, both the parents if required, or anybody whom you feel is older to you and could guide you, not pull you down rather,
Absolutely.
or add to the anxiety levels. And most importantly, if none of these things are working for you, please seek professional guidance. Ring for a counselor, and I think in almost every cities and online के हिसाब से there are qualified counselors everywhere.
Correct,
You need to
correct.
get into that corrective mode at the earliest. Don't wait till the last level wherein you know
Correct,
things are out of your hand. जहाँ पर हमने देखा, I'm sure you also know, wherein they have studied well, but just because they were so nervous or so anxious that during the day of the paper itself or exam itself, they were hospitalized.
Absolutely.
And if you see the reports or thing, everything is normal. It was just
The mental stress.
mental stress. So I think get into something which cools you down.
Correct.
Ideally, I feel meditation, exercises,
They would be best.
breathing exercises are the best. Even a 5-minute calming exercises
Absolutely.
will help you out.
Ma'am, we give tips to students. और कहीं ना कहीं हमने ये भी देखा है कि पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं
Oh yes.
यू आर लाइक यू नो वी गिव यू एवरीथिंग, पूरी लिबर्टी है, बस अच्छे मार्क्स ला, अच्छा परफॉर्म कर, बट इनडायरेक्टली कहीं ना कहीं से तो स्ट्रेसर्स आते हैं. सो एनी स्पेसिफिक सजेशन फॉर पेरेंट्स?
You know, you have actually touched the chord, Mugdha, because we are a system wherein family matters. I wouldn't say parents are wrong having expectations,
Right.
but yes, हर एक को अब लगता है, you know, that their child should have a brighter
Right.
future, good social status, secured life. Nothing wrong in that. But sometimes, you know, these days I feel even parents are equally stressed.
Rather
And
more stress.
More stressed. In fact, we have to tell the parent that you are not giving the exam.
Exams,
But
true.
yes, it is a very, very natural human thing that a mother or a father will get stressed. Maybe seeing the way the child is studying.
Correct.
Or even if the child is studying, they might get stressed. Oh God, will he or she get admission? What if
Correct.
this not happens? Something like that. So what I feel is stress is a part and parcel of the parents, the child. It is there. Over here, the only thing I can say is for the parents also that, you know, keep your anxiety, your negative thoughts to yourself.
Self.
Don't bring it up to the child.
Correct.
I think sometimes a small discussion, you know, wherein
Right.
you all speak,
Expressing.
expressing, just seeing what they are doing. I think they are like, you know, that support system, the pillars,
Correct.
wherein not too much of interference, but somewhere a little bit wherein they say, okay, I'm aware what you're doing, and just be open to listening.
Correct.
जहाँ पर पेरेंट्स बहुत कि तुझे ये करना ही है, प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाते हैं. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग दैट जिद, इट इज़ बेटर इफ दे आर ओपन माइंडेड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मेरी चाइल्ड की कैपेसिटी इतनी है,
Right.
या ये मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन से बच्चे की नहीं है.
नहीं है.
यहाँ पर थोड़ा डिटैच्ड थॉट प्रोसेस या एज अ थर्ड पर्सन अगर पेरेंट्स भी खुद ऑब्जर्व करने लगे, आई थिंक इट विल रिलैक्स अ चाइल्ड, एंड मोर ओवर देयर बी नो टेंशन इन द हाउस. सो आई थिंक पेरेंट्स का बहुत मेजर रोल है यहाँ पर, जहाँ पर वो बच्चे की काबिलियत को भी समझे और एक्सपेक्टेशंस उतने ही रखे कि ओके ही इफ इज़ अ टॉपर, आई एम श्योर ही विल डू
इतना कर ही
गुड.
लेगा.
मे बी नॉट हैविंग कि उन्हें फर्स्ट ही आना चाहिए
बराबर.
या ऑल इंडिया रैंक होल्डर ही आना चाहिए.
Right.
ये नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर होता है तो फैंटास्टिक, बट इट कुड बी फॉर द टॉपर्स एज वेल एज द लो स्कोरर्स ऑल्सो इक्वली, बिकॉज इफ द parent also feels, oh God, what if my child feels. ये जो negative thoughts है, I think the only thing I can tell is negative thoughts, something which is giving you anxiety, something which is giving you guilt for the student as well as parent.
We should be avoided.
It should be exit. they shouldn't stay there.
Absolutely. Great. Wonderful, ma'am. Thank you so much, Swati ma'am, for your wonderful insights, and I'm sure parents and students will definitely use them and will have a brighter future.
Thank you.
So we are here. I think I've covered everything. If anything you feel remaining, let me know in the comment section. और हाँ, अगर आप Growth Center चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. And if this video adds value, do like and share. Take care of yourself, and you've got this. I'll see you stronger, calmer and ready on the other side of Results Day.